Alright guys, so here's a short video of the damage that I got in the crash. Let's see here. Stretches down a bit. Also on this side. The bottom of the boat is good, no issues. This is the only damage right here. I'm gonna repair this today by using a Dremel tool, sanding all this down to fiberglass. Then I'm gonna recoat it with a new layer of fiberglass, and then maybe use some Bondo and paint to fix it up. See you in a bit. So you see what I did here? It's just grind it down, right down to fiberglass, leaving maybe ½ an inch on each side, so when I lay the new glass, you'll have something to bond to on each side of the split, probably where this hull was joined in the beginning. I'm just gonna put a new layer of glass over this, sand it down, maybe put some Bondo on it, sand it, paint it. This side here, I don't know if you can see it there, but it didn't go, there's no hole, it didn't go straight through, so I'm just going to use Bondo here and reshape it and paint it from that side. Okay, this is the rest of it. Alright guys, what we got here is some regular polyester. I don't know if you can see this. Boatyard resin, fiberglass resin. Some painter's tape that we're going to tape off the edges with. And some thin fiberglass. Fiberglass we're using is this thin stuff here from Bondo. You can see the square pattern in it, almost exactly like what they have here. Go ahead and mix up some resin. For this amount of resin, usually you just use like 1 or 2 drops of hardener, not too much, but today I'm gonna mix it a little bit hot so it dries quickly, sets off, it'll kick off quickly.
We've been waiting for so long, we've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older, I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day, the sun is out, won't go away. touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, 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 yeah. Going out, going all the way. Going high, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going higher.
Alright guys, that's it. We're gonna leave this like this and we're gonna let it dry. I have to travel tomorrow, so I'll probably get back Sunday on this. What we're gonna do when this dries down is we're gonna take the sander again, the Dremel tool, sand off all the excess, sand this here smooth, and we'll see if we need to bond it or not. We probably will. Alright guys, continuing the repairs on the Blackjack. I'm gonna use some Bondo 3M original body filler. Smooth this out and get ready for paint. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Paints don't match, but I used the red that I had at home. Good enough. Ready to go.